I'll be saying bye for Isa and then surprise. Okay, for me. The surprise is for me, so but like so it say I for 3 years, nearly India. And it has been amazing. So juzi nilikuwa napita pita zangu kwenye Instagram and then nikaona an ad ya Oraimo. I think everyone ameiona. Kama uko Instagram, I think everyone ameiona. But wanatangaza saa and I was like intrigued. So nikaangalia price, bro, ni 45k. I was like no way. No way. Sababu saa yangu imeshakufa, and if you have seen a lot of videos ambazo nishazituma this year, unaenda sina saa. Ni kwa sababu imekufa and hii kitu imetoka. So hata ukicheck inakaa for like 3 hours of inaisha. So yeah, ni okay kwa sababu imekaa for 3 years. Mimi mwenyewe nimeshangaa na imeanguka, imepasuka, so I ordered one. Anyways, let's unbox it. Nimenunua 2 days ago but sijaifanya chochote kwa sababu like I have to unbox with my TikTok followers and my YouTube shorts people. You get? This is the watch. And inakuja na kitabu. Na ina 1 year warranty. Yeah, 1 year warranty. And yeah, so this is the watch. Look at it. Yeah, I know. Nataka utoe. Oh my god. Oh, ni 45, delivery 5. So easy. You look, mbona zinakaa almost the same. Kwamba tu hii hapa imetoka. So yeah. I'm wearing my watch. Oraimo. Sawi. Nataka cha kwanza ni kubadilisha nani. Nataka nibadilishe the wallpaper. Inakaa kivulana sana. Fadhali hiyo kidogo. Nita edit. Anyways, so yeah, nafanya kazi vizuri sana. It's a good watch. And I'm wearing it for the first time with you guys. That's how much I love you. Oh, come just subscribe. You guys are mean people. Very mean. You guys. Oh my god. You can download the app ili nitumie. So yeah, thank guys. Go. That's hata charge yake it's different. So yeah, bye past watch. Hi watch. Hi new watch. Actually, I mean, anyways, bye. Thank you for 3 years of staying with me, and welcome to new watch. Bye guys.